friends, this is Mark of Tech Pinas, and this is the all-new realme C75 Android smartphone. This upcoming handset has many amazing features, but for now, I can only talk about its IP66, IP68, and IP69 dust and water resistant certification. So this means that this smartphone is dust-proof and it can withstand strong water jets from any direction. Also, it can be submerged in water up to 1.5 meter deep for 30 minutes. And finally, it can withstand strong water jets at high pressure with high temperature around 80 degrees Celsius, including submersion for a limited time. Very interesting and amazing, right? So if you want to know more about the upcoming realme C75, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the Tech Pinas YouTube channel. We'll definitely come up with more content about this super durable yet very good looking smartphone, which is diving soon on January 23, 2025.